Alright, so I just shut it off, and we're going to change the filter and do a startup on it. So let's do that. Alright, so these are the filters that I use. They're Filtrete 20 by 30 by 1s. They're just an average, pleated. You can see through them filters. Because if I run restrictive, well, this is not pleated. I don't know why I said it's a pleated filter. But if I run a pleated filter, like a 3M, 3000 series or something like that, them high-priced filters, Goodman will freeze up. Because in a mobile home, which this is exactly what I'm in as a manufactured house, the ductwork is very high static. So I'm going to find the spot on here where it says to put the date, which is right here. No, that's not it. Right. I'm going to put the date right on top up here to where I can see it. So today is the 29th, I do believe. Yep. So we're going to right up here. Okay, you'll see what I'm doing? Yeah. Right up here. August 29th, 2018. There it is. You can kind of see it. Alright, so let's change it now. There's my return grate, grill, whatever you want to call it. A couple years ago, I got so tired of the high-pitched noise it was making that I took a screwdriver and bent some of the louvers out, and it kind of quieted it down. But we're going to go ahead and pop this thing loose on both sides here. Oh, great. That is long overdue for a change. Look at the difference. This one was put in on, just don't even have a date. Oh yeah, June 14th of 2018. That's clearly not my handwriting, so I didn't put this one in, but it's due for a change. It's getting there. And I want to change it if I end up forgetting about it. Let's put in the new one. So June, July, 2 months, 60 days. Alright, so let's slide this sucker in. To get the best view possible. I'm not going to move the nutcracker right there. You don't like to be moved. Oops, that was the clock. So in goes the filter. Close that one. And then close the other one adjacent to here. Slide the desk back. No, this is not blocking it. As y'all can clearly see, that there is clearance behind it and it's an open desk, so nothing blocks it. Alright, so now let's go do the startup. How lovely, my darn neighbor's sitting right outside on his porch. He probably thinks I got some serious screws loose, but I don't care what my neighbors think of me. So I'm going to go turn this thing on, and first I'm going to extend the tripod a little bit. I'll make a video on HVAC photography at another later date, but nothing wrong with it. Alright, so there's our view of it. Now I'm going to back it up some. The full view of the Goodman. A little further, why not? It's about, I wouldn't know how to judge feet, I would say. Maybe the camera's maybe 5 feet from it. I don't know. It's in between the well house and the Goodman, however far that is. But I'm going to go put it on. Nice non-restricted airflow. there's one inside. But that was the Goodman starting up in cooling mode. I'm not going to do a shutdown video because it's very hot outside. I'll show you all what the temperature is here in a minute. If I get my camera tripod straightened up. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky. It can be reminiscent of my videos back in the day when I didn't have, you know, fancy cameras with image stabilization. But the Goodman's still running, and I'm getting a lot of questions on what I'm going to end up replacing it with, and I'm going to do a video on that topic next, but I'll show you all what temperature is right now. I'm going to have to blur out my location, obviously. Well, maybe not. Right now it's 89 degrees, 52% humidity. I don't know why that says 32 and 32 because it's not, but there y'all go. That's how hot it is right now. So it's muggy and hot, and I'm going to let this thing cool off a little bit, but it's still running. Hey guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. There's lots more coming. I really need to trim these hedges. I don't know how many times I've said that this month. But anyways, see you on the next video. Got a friend. He's keeping all the bugs from getting sucked into the condenser coil. Pretty little thing. I don't appreciate his web being attached to the Goodman, but I'm not going to disturb him. See how close we can get to him. Yeah, I'm not going to disturb him. Even though his residence is attached to the Goodman we've got on the refrigerator. Hey, and it shut off. It must have satisfied. I guess you can call this a 2-for-1 video. See you on the next one.